This is, well, basically this was once a Nissan GT-R. So a company called Kuhl Racing, I think that's how it's pronounced, it's spelled Kuhl. They took this GT-R, removed all the body panels, even the headlights, and replaced it with a very fine type of metal that's not very strong. And then they took a craftsman and they hand engraved everything, all the body panels, everything that you see here, it's done by hand. So now I can't tell whether this guy loved the GTR or he hated it, or whether he wanted to decorate it or to ruin it. But whatever the case, he's done it beautifully. So it could be a masterpiece or it could be garbage. It's very hard to tell. So this is not a foil, this is actual special metal. They've even changed the headlights. Now look at it, looks more like a Lexus headlight. It's wider at the bottom, it's more triangular. Then you have this extra wing inside the front bumper. Also, they've widened the base. You can see the fenders are more protruding. Then you have the wheels, they're a little stance, they're wider, it's slammed to the ground. So this whole car or abomination, I don't know what to call it, is available for around 2 million dirhams. That's roughly four times the GTR. Yep, for 500,000 dirhams you can get a GTR, and for 2 million you can get this. Okay. Now there are a lot of cars, as you can see around me. Some of them are nice, some of them are just exotics. There's one really special car here that's, well, roughly 13 times the price of this. And can you guess? No, not this. No, not even this 918 Spider. It's this Ferrari Aperta, which means convertible. Yes, they made a LaFerrari Aperta. It's one of 200 in the world. I made a separate video about it, discussing it, going into detail about it. So just want to show you that this is a 27 million dirham hypercar. Anyway, I just noticed that this 918 Spider is not just a regular 918. It has the I don't know how to pronounce it, the Vesak package. It's lighter, has additional wings at the back. Anyway, coming back to this, whether it hurts your eyes or not, it's possible it may do that. Now if you have cataract or any eye infection or any issues with your vision, this car may either improve it or worsen it, I don't know. So what do you think about it? Just let me know in the comments.